Namaste, travelers. Welcome back to Explore Culture Worldwide. Today, we're diving into the vibrant, chaotic, and beautiful land of India, solo style. Yep, that's right. If you've been dreaming about traveling solo through India, I've got some tips to make your journey smooth, safe, and downright unforgettable. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Plan but leave room for spontaneity. India is massive. From the sandy deserts of Rajasthan to the lush tea fields of Kerala, there's a lot to see. But don't overplan. The beauty of solo travel is having the freedom to take unexpected detours. While it's smart to book your first few nights, leave some space for impromptu adventures. You never know when you'll stumble upon a festival, a hidden temple, or a chai stall with the best tea you've ever tasted. Tip 2. Embrace the chaos, but stay grounded. India is, let's say, a sensory overload, especially for first-timers. The bustling streets, the constant honking, the vibrant markets, it's a lot. As a solo traveler, it can feel overwhelming, but trust me, lean into it. Embrace the organized chaos and find your own pace. Pro tip: find a quiet temple or park to recharge when you need a break. Tip 3. Learn a few Hindi phrases. While many people in India speak English, knowing a few words in Hindi will go a long way. Words like namaste, hello, shukriya, thank you, and kitne ka hai? How much is this? Will help you connect with locals and navigate better. Plus, they'll appreciate the effort. Bonus tip: download an offline translation app just in case. Tip 4. Respect local customs and dress appropriately. India is a diverse country with rich traditions, so respecting the local customs is key. When visiting temples or rural areas, dress modestly. Covering shoulders and knees is often expected. This isn't just about respect. It also helps you blend in and feel more comfortable. And don't forget to remove your shoes when entering someone's home or a temple. Tip 5. Safety first, but don't let fear hold you back. As a solo traveler, especially if you're a woman, safety is probably at the top of your mind. Stick to well-populated areas, avoid traveling alone late at night, and trust your instincts. But don't let fear keep you from experiencing India's magic. With a bit of common sense and confidence, you'll be just fine. Consider downloading apps like Ola or Uber for safer rides, and always keep a copy of your passport handy. Tip 6. Ride the trains, but book in advance. India's railway system is legendary. It's one of the best ways to see the country. Whether you're crossing state lines or just hopping between cities, the train ride is an experience in itself. But here's the thing: book in advance, especially for longer journeys, because those sleeper cars sell out fast. And yes, the chai served on the train is as good as everyone says. Tip 7. Get inspired by other solo travelers. Lastly, don't forget to get inspired. Follow solo travelers who've been to India before and learn from their experiences. Blogs, Instagram, and YouTube are full of tips on how to navigate the country. And hey, if you're watching this, you're already on the right track. That's it for today's solo travel tips in India. Have you traveled solo through India before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips from around the world. Until next time, safe travels, and keep exploring.